to life, they come to learn. A spark of hope, a dream they yearn. Through struggles and trials, they take the leap. A brighter tomorrow is theirs to keep. We teach the skills, we shape the mind, unlocking potential, a future defined. With every chart, every trade they see, steps toward freedom, toward prosperity. Trading freedom, it starts today. Building futures in a brand new way. Knowledge and courage, the tools they need to grow their wealth, to plant the seed, the seed. For those in debt who need a plan, we show the way to take a stand. And women strong with dreams anew, finding purpose, breaking through. It's not just numbers, it's more than gain. It's conquering fear, it's breaking chains. With steady hands and a fearless heart, they take control, their lives restart. Trading freedom, it starts today. Building futures in a brand new way. Knowledge and courage, the tools they need to grow their wealth, to plant the seed. Managing emotions, staying the course, harnessing power from the strongest source. The journey's tough, but the goal is clear. Financial freedom is waiting here. Trading freedom, it starts today.